I'm Damon Hatfield and this is IGN News. What follows is totally rumor for now, but I thought you would want to know. Collider claims that Matthew Vaughn, who directed Kick-Ass and X-Men First Class, is in the running to helm Star Wars Episode 7. It was apparently this opportunity that made him opt out of directing X-Men Days of Future Past. But then MarketSaw has a list of contenders to direct Episode 7 that includes George Lucas' best bud Steven Spielberg, District 9's Neil Blomkamp, Harry Potter vet Alfonso Cuarón, Black Swan's Darren Aronofsky, The Avengers' Joss Whedon, and the aforementioned Vaughn. MarketSaw also claims to have more details on the new Star Wars films. I quote, Luke Skywalker, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Princess Leia, C-3PO, and R2-D2 are, I am assured, to feature prominently in the new trilogy, as was always the idea. Apparently some have already been approached quite a while back too, to my understanding. Hamill is a certainty. There are 2 trilogies planned, all following an original overview by Lucas, which was always planned as a multi-generational saga. Movies 10 through 12 are, from my understanding, about the offspring of the Skywalkers, set many years later with the surviving cast playing much older versions of themselves and featuring a female protagonist named Skywalker. So, like I said, none of that is confirmed, but it's something to think about. What do you think about these director possibilities? Let me know in the comments below, and for more Star Wars, stay tuned to IGN.